What's going on, y'all? I'm Tyson with Open Range Studios. I just want to make a quick video talking about natural lighting and the difference that just 1 hour can make in the color and the shadows of your shots. Now, I was looking over these waterfall aerials that I had captured over the span of like a couple hours, about 3 to 4 drone batteries, and some of them from similar angles I was noticing having such a difference in look with just a difference of 1 hour's time. Here, check these two shots out. First one, I love the way it looks with that blue sky, sunny day feel, shot just before golden hour. But the second one, shot near the end of golden hour, is just on another level in my opinion. And it's almost exactly 1 hour's difference. Here's a couple more. So I used to think when there was a clear sunny day that all day was good to shoot content. And then I learned about a general photographer's rule to avoid shooting midday when the highlights and the shadows are at the harshest contrast. The closer you get to sunrise or sunset is going to have a softer, more diffused lighting with a warmer glow. Golden hour being that last hour just before sunset or the first hour just after sunrise, and also called magic hour because it's just so magical. But lighting really is so important when shooting outdoors, trying to get everything dialed in before you lose your light. It's fun. The closer you get to sunset, the faster the lighting is changing. It can be a straight up adrenaline rush trying to get those shots. Here you can see I'm really chasing that light with the edge of the shadow creeping right up to the bottom of the falls. Now, in certain situations, that midday lighting can be best with the sun directly overhead. Sometimes a narrow canyon will be completely shadowed except for a couple hours in the middle of the day. Also, you could shoot during blue hour, which is the hour before sunrise or after sunset, and then you'll get a completely different look, which in itself could be a whole different video. Here's a couple hyperlapses I shot where the first one had the last bit of sunlight moving up the falls, and then the second one is shot after the sun has set. Now contrast that with a couple hours earlier. A very different look. Now if you like this video, I'd really appreciate it if you'd hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment with your thoughts. All of this allows me to keep putting out content like this. Alright, until next time, peace.